Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 36 working on Project Betty, the 76 Monarch. In day 35, I clear coated the front part of the car. Came out good. I do have a few runs here and there. It's not a big deal though, because I can sand those out of the clear and then buff them. Today I'm going to clear the back half of the car. The roof, both quarter panels, and the trunk. I need to cover everything with plastic that I cleared yesterday. Clean that. Mixolate on my clear coat. Add my expensive accelerator in there and spray it. Okay, an hour and a half later, and I got the car plastic and taped off. Came in here at 8 o'clock. It's 9:34 right now. And I'm going to do my clean. Maybe by 10 o'clock, I'll be spraying. Fingers crossed, toes crossed. Let's do it. Okay, finally got that done. I have the floor wet. Now, 10:30. I was hoping to be spraying at 10. It's the way it goes. Bring you back after a while. It's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna go take a peek in the garage. I don't have a respirator on, so I don't know if I can do this without one or not. I'm gonna find out. Well, that doesn't seem too bad. Let's check this out. Got some shine. Good. What we're looking for now are runs. You get a light, shine it down the side of the car, and see if we can find any. I'm hoping we don't. Spotted something in the. Yep, there we got them. We got them. You know, I gave that an extra squirt, and that's what happens. Okay, the rest of it is looking okay so far. Okay, got a little one in in there. That I can sand out. Another one, so I'm still getting them. I probably didn't put enough of that accelerator in there. But I'm happy with the finish. It's shiny, smooth, and I'm not seeing too much crap in it. There's some here and there. Like a spot on this side, roughly the same location as the other side. Okay, we're happy. So I'm going to leave things alone. I can sand those runs out. Whatever clear I have mixed up in the gun is going to have to get wasted. I can add it to my wasted clear pile back here. I got the cup from February 19th. Got this bag from yesterday. Those are already hardened, by the way. And I'll add whatever's in here to that. Let's find out. Okay, I'm just gonna unhook my gun from the air, turn it upside down, squeeze this, and that lets the clear run from the gun into the bag. And I can pull the bag out of here. Wow. Mixed up way too much again. See, now the gun, that's dry in there, only needs to be cleaned up in this area right here, and it's pretty simple. But that's how much clear I overmixed. And I'm going to guess, I don't know, 10, 12 ounces. I'll let that harden up there. I'll clean my gun. And I'm going to call this the end of day 36, working on Project Betty. I thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel. Come back for more episodes. Bye.